Hello friends, welcome to the CloudBeak YouTube channel. My name is Manoj and today we will learn how to add SharePoint to the Windows File Explorer. So for this we have to download OneDrive app and we need to log into our SharePoint. So first we will go to the office.com. Here log in with your account. Once you enter into the Microsoft 365, you need to go to the SharePoint. So search for SharePoint and open the SharePoint app. So now we entered into the SharePoint. Now click on any site whose data you want to add to the File Explorer, like CloudBig Team. So here you need to go to the Documents section. So click on the Documents. And here you can see the option to sync. So click on the sync button and you are seeing that we are syncing your files. Now you need to install the latest version of OneDrive. So click on this. Okay, now install the OneDrive. Now you can see that OneDrive has been installed. Here, close this window again. Again, click on the sync button and allow this. Now you can see that OneDrive login window is open. Now you need to log into your OneDrive account. You can see OneDrive folder location is here. If you need, you can change the location. Otherwise, you can click on the next button. Now close this window and you can see that files are synced. Now open this PC and you can see the folder for CloudBig Team documents. And here you can see all the files are here. So for another site, you can follow the same procedure. Thank you guys for watching the complete video. If you have any queries regarding this, you can ask us in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Also follow us on other social media platforms. Social media links are in the description.